In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail's reverse conversation order issue. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by the inverted order in which emails appear in your Gmail conversations, you're certainly not alone. This guide will walk you through the steps to resolve that, making your email experience much smoother and more intuitive. To begin, navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is where you'll be able to seamlessly implement the changes needed to fix the conversation order. A major part of the solution revolves around understanding how Gmail threads these conversations and how you can tweak the settings to match your preference. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled See All Settings. This will open your general settings page. Now, in the settings page, you'll notice a series of tabs across the top. Ensure you're on the General tab, which is usually the first tab open. Here you will find various options related to the overall functionality of your Gmail. Scroll down until you reach the section titled Conversation View. This is where you can make the key changes. In the Conversation View section, there are two primary options: Conversation View On and Conversation View Off. The Conversation View On option groups emails with the same subject line together, causing some confusion with the reverse order problem. On the other hand, if you switch to the Conversation View Off option, it will disable this feature, showing each email separately and in the order received, which can effectively resolve the reverse order issue. After making your choice, remember to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This is crucial because any adjustments made won't take effect until they are saved. Gmail will refresh, and you can check to see if the order of your emails now meets your preferences. If you prefer the conversation view but want clearer control, you might consider organizing your emails into labels or categories for easier navigation. Using filters to automatically categorize incoming emails can streamline your inbox management and reduce the chances of getting bogged down by disorganized threads. By following these steps, you've just learned how to manage and fix Gmail's reverse conversation order, enhancing both your efficiency and email organization. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope it has been helpful in making your Gmail experience more enjoyable. Be sure to like and subscribe for more practical guides and tech tips.